Hello, first grade. This is Mrs. Ball with your reading lesson for today. Let's get started. Today, you're going to need your red Your Turn practice book. You're going to need your writing tool, which should be your pencil, just in case there's a mistake. In your packet, you're going to get the sheet that reads Fun with Sentences. So, this particular sheet, it has the little boy. He has a medal saying that he's number 1. So we're going to find the one that looks like this. And on the back, it has capitals and periods. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're in Unit 1, Week 3, Day 4. Repeat after me. I can blend and read words with L blends. I can also understand the reason we use labels. Let's read the sentence. Which words have L blends? The flag flaps. Flag and flaps. You try to read this on your own. The glass is slick. What words have the L blend? Glass and slick. I think you can read that on your own too. Do not slip on the glass. What words have the L blends? Slip and glass. Clap for the slick cat. Clap and slick. Let's look at our high frequency words. They're going to appear on the screen and I want you to say them. Be, come, good, pull, down, out, up, very, does, not, school, what. Our essential question, what makes a pet special? All right, today we're going to talk about labels. Labels. You can use informational selections to find facts and details. Photographs and illustrations and informational text include important details. Illustrations and photographs often have labels, words or phrases that name the things in them. For example, cook. So this is pointing out some of the details that we see in the picture. Like this is pointing to the tall hat. This is the coat. This is pointing to the whisk, which is what we use to mix things together. And this is the bowl. For a builder, some labels on the builder would be, this is pointing to the hard hat. So it's giving me more details and information about the picture. This is the tool belt, and these are jeans. That's the material that she might wear as a builder. All right, this is the mail carrier. Let's look at the labels on the mail carrier. Cap, mail, here's a bag. The labels help us understand what the photograph shows. These labels tell us what the cook wears when he works. He wears a hat and an apron. This label tells us what it is, a whisk. All right. What parts of the picture do the labels name? All right. So they name, what they wear to work or what the materials that they need for work. What information do you learn from these labels? Okay, so the labels give us more details and information about the picture. After today's lesson, I can blend and read words with L-blends. I can also understand the reason we use labels. Let's look at our structural analysis. Plural nouns that end in S. What does it mean when you add S to a naming word? It means more than one. What's the base word? That's the main word. What does it become when we add S? It becomes plural. It means more than one. This is cat. We add an S, it is cats. Van, vans. Now it means more than one. Bag, bags. There's your blend. Full, flags. Clam, clams. Pig, add an S, pigs. All right, grammar, we're learning about statements. A statement is a sentence that tells us something. A statement begins with a capital letter and ends with a period. Let's identify the statements. Like to play. Is that a statement? No capital letter, no period, no other information, so it's not a statement. I see 6 big hats. It's telling me something. It has a capital letter, and I see the period, so it is a statement. Jan ran up and down the hill. It's giving me information. I have a capital letter, I have a period. It's a statement. Let's look at our mechanics today. Capitalization and punctuation. Let's fix each sentence. We will fill the bag. It makes sense, but a sentence begins with a capital letter and a punctuation mark. The cat sat on the mat. I need a capital letter T and a punctuation mark at the end. Awesome job, you guys. Let's take a look at our Your Turn practice page. Today, we're only going to focus on page 29. All right, so labels is what we just learned about today. Labels are words or phrases that name people or things shown in a picture or photograph. Look at the pictures, read the labels, then use the labels to complete the sentences. So this right here is the picture, but the label gives us detailed information about what's in the picture. So the bat has a wing. So we're going to write the word wing right here. Number 2, the fish has a, what is it labeling? It's pointing to the fin. Good job. I'm going to write the word fin here. The chick has fuzz. I'm going to write fuzz right there. All right. So now let's get out our fun with sentences page. And remember, this fun with sentences page, it has the little boy, he has the medal number 1. So the directions tell us, first of all, we're going to write our first and last name where it has name. And if it's a sentence, you're going to color the bib yes. If it is not a sentence, you're going to color it no. Let's do number 1 and 2 together. I see a fin. Is that a sentence? Yes, it has a capital letter, has a period, and the word makes sense. I'm going to color the bib yes. Number 2, hit the Tim fig. Does that make sense? So we're going to color no. All right, so you're going to do the remaining of those. Read the sentence. If it's a sentence, if it makes sense, yes. If not, no. On the back, it has capitals and periods. If a sentence has a capital letter and a period, color yes. Color the flower yes. If it does not have a capital letter and a period, color the no flower. The cat is on the mat. Does it have a capital letter? Yes. Does it have a period? So we're going to color the no flower. All right, number 2. 6 pigs nap in the van. Does it have a capital letter? Yes, it does. Does it have a period? Yes, it does. So we're going to color the yes flower. So do that for what remains. Take a picture of it. Submit this assignment to your teacher. All right, you guys have been awesome today. Keep practicing reading and blending, and get those pages out of your books. Read those pages, reading your literature anthology and your reading writing workshop books. And I hope that you guys continue to build that fluency and to go over those sight words every day. All right, bye-bye.